Wow, just crowd around the other cars. Dirt bikes, really?
That's crazy.
These guys are retards. Look at them. And that guy just like flipped off a driver.
And they're doing wheelies and he's...
I'm totally recording this. This is retarded. I can't wait to see what happens when the light turns green.
Are they all going to turn? Are they all going straight? Where are they going?
No idea. I'm going to zoom out a little bit.
Four-wheelers.
What the fuck? What? What the fuck? They're idiots.